Okay, I found this on the web for how many colors of eyes are there.
Well, let's see. Eye color. Let's go right to Wikipedia. Wikipedia seems to have the answer for most things. All right. We don't know if it's true or not, but we'll at least take a look here. Let's see. In humans, the iris, light brown to black. By the way, I'm assuming we're talking humans. Blue, green, and hazel. That's 5 right there. Why didn't I say... oh, actually black. Somebody has black eyes? That's interesting. I don't see any information about the number of colors. Let's try one more site. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Well, again, according to the internet, we're just randomly... See, both John and I could not research this in advance because then we would know the answers. So we're just going off what the internet will tell us.
Hopefully it's a high number.
Eye colors. Boy, we have to make a link now. How eye color develops, we don't want to know that. Oh my. Well, they have a chart here. Brown, honey, green, hazel, light blue, dark blue, amethyst, and gray. For a total of 8. I said 4. You said what, 37,000?
32.
32? Well, it seems I'm right.
Is that for colors that actually exist?
No, it says which eye color is most attractive.
Oh.
All right. Well, we're not getting anywhere.
I think we might have to do a different question for this one. Seems
yeah,
inconclusive.
because you lost.
No.
Well, what makes you say that?
There's no conclusive result.
All right. Oh, good question. Yeah. What makes you say that? What makes you say that? How can I say that in the Korean language?
어째서 그런 것 같죠?
어째서
그런 것
그런 것
같죠?
같죠? 어째서 그런 것 같죠?
Yes.
어째서 그런 것 같죠?
Yes.
What makes you say that? Good question. Good question. All right, we'll have to cancel that one. Try another question then.
Alright, we'll go with that one. How many number 1 hits did Michael Jackson have?
How many number 1 hits did Michael Jackson have? What do you say?
I would say 25.
Michael Jackson had 25 number 1 hits. Okay? I'm going to say Michael Jackson had 19 21 hits. Or 19 number 1 hits. Okay, let's find out. Hey Siri. How many number 1 hits did Michael Jackson have?
I don't know who leads the league in hits.
Not hits. Okay, let's think. How can we ask Siri this another way? Hey Siri. List Michael Jackson's number 1 hits.
I don't know who leads the league in hits.
Let's see. Okay, how can we ask this another way?
Please hang up and try again.
How many number 1 song hits were performed by Michael Jackson?
It is love never felt so good.
Well, there's one.
There's one. We have to guess at all the other ones. Let's try one more time. We may have to cancel this question too. How many number 1 song hits were written by Michael Jackson?
It is love never felt so good.
Well, Siri's letting us down on this question too. Let's move on to another question.
Right. With how many movies did Bruce Willis appear in?
How many movies did Bruce Willis appear in? What's your answer?
Wow. 52.
You think Bruce Willis appeared in 52 movies? I'm going to say Bruce Willis appeared in 31 movies.
Okay.
Let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, how many movies did Bruce Willis appear in?
Sorry, I can't search that.
How many movies did Bruce Willis appear in?
Sorry, I couldn't find anything like that.
Show me Bruce Willis IMBD.
Sorry, I couldn't find Bruce Willis IMBD in your music.
Has Bruce Willis ever made a movie?
Sorry, I couldn't find anything like that.
Show me Bruce Willis career record.
Sorry, I couldn't find Bruce Willis in your music.
Well, you know what? Let's think about this for a moment. Today, we've already had how many questions that we answered?
3.
3. I had 2 right. You had 1 right.
Yeah.
Let's say that today, I am the champion.
Fair enough.
All right. Well done, son. Would you like some yellow mustard before you go?
No, I'm okay.
All right, everybody. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in and watching Father and Son. Take care. Bye-bye. Welcome to review time. Our first sentence, do you remember? Oh, that can't be right. That can't be right. Sentence number 2. I think I've got this one. I think I've got this one. Good, good. Sentence number 3. What makes you say that? What makes you say that? Good sentences to practice. Practice every day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.